Considering that there are quite a few different Nuwave air fryers on the market, it can actually be pretty hard to differentiate all the options. So I decided to immerse myself in the world of Nuwave air fryers to find out what the best Nuwave air fryer truly is. Links to each of the top products are in the description box below. You'll love the Nuwave Brio Plus 8-quart air fryer for its modern features and healthy cooking capabilities. The Nuwave Brio Plus brings air frying into the digital age with its full touchscreen interface. Gone are the days of faded analog buttons. You'll appreciate the crisp, easy-to-read white display that's visible in any lighting condition. This modern upgrade makes selecting cooking functions and adjusting settings a breeze. Precise temperature control sets this air fryer apart. You can fine-tune the cooking temperature in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control allows you to perfectly cook a wide variety of foods, from delicate pastries to crispy chicken wings. The constant temperature adjustments during cooking ensure consistent results every time. Safety features abound in the Brio Plus. Cooking automatically pauses when you pull out the basket and resumes when you put it back. The redesigned air circulation riser fits securely, reducing the risk of accidents. You'll feel confident using this appliance, knowing these thoughtful safety measures are in place. With its generous 8-quart capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family. The non-stick PFAS-free ceramic coating makes cleanup a snap and gives you peace of mind about the safety of your cookware. The basket's design promotes excellent air circulation, resulting in evenly cooked, crispy food. You'll find the Brio Plus incredibly versatile. It offers 5 cooking functions, 100 presets, and 50 memory slots for your favorite recipes. Whether you're reheating leftovers, cooking a full meal, or experimenting with new recipes, this air fryer has you covered. The 3 wattage options, 700 watts, 1500 watts, and 1800 watts, allow you to tailor power usage to your needs, potentially saving on energy costs. Next up on my Nuwave air fryer review, we have the popular Nuwave Oven Pro Plus air fryer, which is often bought for its versatility, speed, and health-conscious cooking capabilities. The Nuwave Oven Pro Plus air fryer, too, brings a new level of convenience to your kitchen. Its ability to cook frozen foods without defrosting is a game changer for busy households. You can go from freezer to table in no time, saving precious minutes on hectic weeknights. This air fryer combines conduction, convection, and infrared cooking technologies. This triple threat approach ensures your food cooks evenly and quickly. You'll notice crispy exteriors and juicy interiors on everything from chicken to vegetables. Plus, the powerful 4.5-inch fan circulates hot air for that perfect golden finish, which is sure to go down a treat. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the PFAS-free construction. The Pro Plus 2 is designed to drain excess fat, resulting in lighter meals without sacrificing flavor. Its unique cooking method also helps retain more nutrients in your food. With 100 pre-programmed menu presets, you'll never run out of meal ideas. From grilling to baking to dehydrating, this versatile appliance can handle it all. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust time and temperature on the fly, giving you complete control over your cooking. The durable power dome is a standout feature. It's shatterproof and heat-resistant, allowing you to monitor your food's progress without opening the lid. This innovative design helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures for optimal results every time. The number 5 product on my list of Nuwave air fryer reviews is the Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 air fryer, which I rate as the best small Nuwave air fryer. Although 7 quarts isn't exactly tiny, it's around half the size of your typical Nuwave air fryer oven, and it has a pretty compact design. With the Nuwave Brio, you're getting a powerhouse of cooking versatility. Its 7.25 quart capacity means you can easily whip up meals for the whole family or batch cook for the week ahead. The nonstick basket is a breeze to clean, and being dishwasher safe is a real time saver. You'll love the 100 pre-programmed menu presets. They take the guesswork out of cooking everything from crispy fries to juicy chicken. Plus, With 50 additional memory slots, you can save your own recipes for quick access. It's like having a personal chef right in your kitchen. The linear thermal technology is super handy. It allows you to set temperatures in 5-degree increments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This precision means you can experiment with a wide range of cooking techniques, from low-temp dehydrating to high-heat searing. Adjusting settings on the fly is a cinch with the intuitive digital controls. No need to start over if you want to tweak the temperature or cooking time. The cool white display is easy to read, even in low light conditions, making late-night snacking a breeze. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the air frying capabilities. You can enjoy crispy, fried foods with little to no oil, cutting down on calories and fat. The efficient airflow design ensures even cooking, so you get that perfect golden crunch every time. Up next is the Nuwave Pro Smart Air Fryer Grill, which earns the 4th spot on my best Nuwave air fryer list thanks to its professional-level cooking capabilities. With Chef Todd English's endorsement and included recipes, you'll have expert guidance at your fingertips. The 150 Easy Cook presets cover a wide range of cooking methods, from air frying to grilling and baking. You'll love the innovative plug-in grill feature. It's designed with non-stick coating and embedded heating coils for even heat distribution. The grill delivers authentic char flavor, setting it apart from typical indoor grills that rely on convection fans. Plus, oil drain holes help reduce excess fat for healthier meals. The combo cooking feature lets you use both the bottom grill and top heater simultaneously. This means you can enjoy the benefits of air frying with 95% less oil, while still getting that perfect char grilled taste on your meats. It's like having 2 appliances in one, saving you valuable counter space. Temperature control is a breeze with the integrated smart probe. Simply set your desired doneness, and the grill monitors the internal temperature of your food. It automatically stops cooking when the target temperature is reached, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but not with this air fryer grill. The non-stick grill pan and dishwasher-safe accessories make cleanup quick and easy. You'll appreciate the double-layer glass door with a built-in sealing gasket, which keeps heat inside and your kitchen cool, even during summer cooking sessions. Checking in at number 3 on my Nuwave air fryer review roundup, we have the popular Nuwave Bravo Smart Oven, which is a versatile kitchen powerhouse that will seriously improve your cooking experience. The Nuwave Bravo Smart Oven brings professional-grade cooking capabilities to your home kitchen. You'll love the ability to adjust the top and bottom heaters independently, giving you unparalleled control over your cooking environment. This feature is particularly handy when you're aiming for that perfect pizza with a crispy crust and melted cheese on top. With 12 pre-programmed cooking functions, you're equipped to tackle a wide range of culinary tasks. From air frying to dehydrating, this smart oven has you covered. The intuitive digital controls make it a breeze to select your desired cooking method and fine-tune the settings to your liking. Temperature precision is another standout feature of the Nuwave Bravo. You can adjust the cooking temperature in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control allows you to experiment with various recipes and achieve consistent results every time. The enhanced interactive digital display is a joy to use. It provides clear, easy-to-read information that guides you through the cooking process. You'll appreciate the wealth of data at your fingertips, helping you make informed decisions about your cooking. While the Nuwave Bravo offers a generous 21-quart capacity, it's worth noting that it does take up a fair amount of counter space. However, given its multifunctionality, you may find it actually replaces several other appliances, making it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen arsenal. Now for the runner-up on my Nuwave air fryer reviews list, and it's a good one. The Nuwave Brio 15.5 quart air fryer oven is a powerhouse appliance that brings versatility to your kitchen. You'll appreciate its 10-in-1 functionality, which includes air frying, rotisserie, grilling, roasting, and more. With 100 pre-programmed menu presets, and 50 additional memory slots, you can easily prepare a wide variety of dishes or save your favorite recipes for quick access. One of the standout features is the Brio's large capacity. At 15.5 quarts, you can cook family-sized meals with ease. The oven comes with 4 rack positions and 7 cooking accessories, including a reversible grill and griddle, rotisserie basket, and digital temperature probe. This allows you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously or cook larger portions. You'll love the powerful 5-inch convection fan that promotes even cooking and extra crispy results. The top-mounted fan ensures cyclonic convection circulation, which not only speeds up cooking times, but also keeps your food crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Plus, the smokeless operation means you won't have to worry about setting off your smoke alarms. The Brio's digital controls offer precise temperature adjustments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. This level of control allows you to fine-tune your cooking process for perfect results every time. You can even make adjustments on the fly during cooking, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different recipes or personal preferences. For those who enjoy rotisserie-style cooking, the Brio doesn't disappoint. The self-basting rotation ensures your whole chicken or other meats are evenly browned and basted, sealing in flavors while allowing excess fats to drip away. You can also use the rotisserie function to tumble fry vegetables or French fries for a healthier twist on classic favorites. So, what is the best Nuwave air fryer that you can buy? Although there are a lot of great Nuwave air fryers on the market, I'd say that the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro is the best Nuwave air fryer available. You'll love this versatile and powerful air fryer toaster oven for its speed, precision, and multitude of cooking options. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro takes air frying to the next level with its upgraded convection system. You'll be amazed at how quickly it cooks food, thanks to its newly designed fan that operates at 100% faster speeds. This means you can whip up crispy, golden brown dishes in no time. With 12 cooking functions and 100 one-touch recipe presets, you'll never run out of meal ideas. From air frying and toasting to grilling and slow cooking, this appliance does it all. The customizable pizza oven feature lets you adjust the top and bottom heaters independently, ensuring perfectly cooked pizzas every time. Temperature control is a breeze with the Bravo XL Pro. It offers a wide range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. The 3 selectable fan speeds give you even more control over your cooking. Plus, the integrated smart digital thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking meats to your desired doneness. The 30-quart capacity is perfect for feeding a crowd. You can easily fit 2 13-inch pizzas, a 10-pound chicken, or a 6-pound roast inside. Despite its large capacity, the oven's compact design makes it suitable for smaller kitchens and even RVs. Built with food-grade stainless steel, this air fryer toaster oven is both durable and healthy. It doesn't emit any plastic odors, and all accessories are PFAS-free. The intuitive digital controls with a cool white display make operation a breeze, while features like panel lock and mute functions add convenience to your cooking experience. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best Nuwave air fryer reviews. Links to each product mentioned are in the description below.